How to update Becker Map Pilot Mercedes Benz. To update your Becker Map Pilot in your Mercedes Benz, follow these steps. 1. Connect your Becker Map Pilot to your computer using the provided USB cable. 2. Visit the official Becker Map Pilot website. 3. Look for the Becker Content Manager software and download it from the website. 4. Install the Becker Content Manager software on your computer by following the provided instructions. 5. Launch the Becker Content Manager software on your computer. 6. Ensure that your computer recognizes the connected Becker Map Pilot device. 7. Within the Becker Content Manager software, locate the option to check for updates. 8. Click on the Update option to check if there are any available updates for your Map Pilot. 9. If updates are available, download them through the Becker Content Manager software. 10. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the software to install the updates. 11. Keep the Becker Map Pilot connected to your computer throughout the update process. 12. Once the update process is complete, safely disconnect the Becker Map Pilot from your computer. 13. Insert the updated Map Pilot back into the slot in your Mercedes Benz. 14. Start your Mercedes Benz and turn on the ignition. 15. The updated Becker Map Pilot should now be ready to use. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact for assistance. Link in description box.